At least we have a lip to pull on.
Right, you ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3. We want to leave it plugged in. Anybody want anything out of the fridge? For the next few hours. Uh-oh.
What?
Here comes the hammer. Boy, this is the cheapest facade I've ever seen in my entire life.
And just like that, here comes the...
Did she cancel?
Looks like that's all they did. I know. All they did was caulk it, bro. That's what's holding this together. A bead of caulk.
It might be glue. Well, it's probably glue, because see, these are factory. This is like a factory.
Oh, you're twisting the whole wall, bro.
I know. That ought to answer your question. I bet you're right, Andy.
That must have been it.
There you go. Had to fake one corner. It's the only notch in the house where it was so complex that I couldn't get the piece in and lock it together. So I'm gluing this little edge down with some Henry's 900, which is usually what we use. It's construction adhesive and sealant, and it's waterproof, and it just sticks and holds really well. So I just want to make sure I glue this corner down, because it's going to be a butt joint. And I took a little black Sharpie and I painted the ends so that none of this white is seen from the top. So I'm just going to fit this in here and sneak it over and hopefully not do that. Hopefully not do that. It's a little cleanup, no big deal.
First. 1, 2, 3.
Again.
Why do you have to be involved in everything?
Am I right up
Okay,
against?
you gotta whack it because it's moving everything.
1, 2.
Okay. Oh, good for you, Andy. Look at you. Okay, pull it back a quarter. So we almost have the back side of the refrigerator filled in. We're just kind of building out our book. We call it a book. So we're kind of staggering joints and do a kind of a running bond as we go. And then once we get this finished filled in, we're going to actually run a little G-tape on the back side of the wall in case the ice maker ever leaks, so the water doesn't go back and down under the floor. It actually goes out onto the waterproof floor, because this luxury vinyl plank is waterproof. So we'll get that done, and then we'll get the refrigerator back in place, get that back and leveled out and shimmed up. And then we're going to continue. These are loose right now, these support walls.
Yeah, what happened to those?
Well, the old floor was thicker than the new floor. So when we put in the new floor, we've still got about 3/8 of an inch gap. So we got to create a shim for that to sit on, so these walls aren't loose. A lot of you guys have been asking, instead of using a chop saw to cut all the luxury vinyl plank, we have this device. It's called a what, Andy?
Sharpshooter 2.0.
Sharpshooter 2.0.
It's the multi-purpose cutter.
What up, DJ Studio Man?
Hi.
Hey, we're shooting for YouTube. All right, so this thing cuts nice and square. You just got to give us a lever action going, and it cuts all your ends. Instead of a chop saw, which this is PVC, so it makes a big mess when you cut it. Or it's luxury vinyl, not PVC. We'll catch up in a minute. Okay, oops.
They don't have a lot of space. Alright, well.
So. Guess I should have cut it a little shorter. Okay, let's go.
That's a tight fit, huh?
Yeah.
You think it's okay?
I need to come my way now a little. Now we're close. I'm not used to working inside the house. It's warm in here. Should have probably wore sweat or shorts. I mean, but I've been running in and out of the house, and not used to the heaters going off, and it's a little balmy in here for me. Working, something I'm definitely not used to. Used to being outdoors, and all that. So.
Was he? Oh, he probably did. Now we clip this guy on. It's not looking too bad.
You can't see him as bad as I thought. But I mean, when you're walking up to it.
All right, guys. So that is your lesson on luxury vinyl plank. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something today. If you did, please click that subscribe button, and don't forget to comment down below. And if you want, you can even hit the bell icon to be notified every time we're putting out fresh content. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.